A happy thank God it's a Friday to everyone. Welcome po sa July 30, 2021 edition ng The Stock Market Today. End of the month at sweldo day sa marami nating mga kababayan na empleyado ng mga kumpanya. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer who started to invest in the Philippine stock market in 2007, and I do this report every day, which I started August of last year. I also report the latest news on your favorite and the most active stocks. If you like the content, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. If you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Our news is on our Philippine schedule on the Olympics and the financials of Aboitiz Equity Ventures at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, Friday, July 30, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Let's now start with the Aboitiz Group profit more than doubles, but before we get to that, just like to share with you the Philippine schedule today. Ngayon po ay Friday at meron po tayong golf competition. Si Juvic Pagunsan is competing. So nag-start po yan ng 7:30 Tokyo time, pero 6:30 po sa atin. At ongoing pa po siya. Sa 8:35 ay immense calls, pero nag-place lang po ng 5th ang ating pambato na si Chris Nievares. At mamayang gabi at 19:10 Tokyo time, pero 20:10 sa atin or 8:10 ng gabi, ay magko-compete po si Jebby or si Luke Jebby sa 50-meter freestyle hits. Ngayon po, Saturday, July 31, meron po tayong pole vault starting at 8:40 Philippine time. Si John Obiena will be competing. At pagkatapos po niyan ay at 10:48 Philippine time again is the men's flyweight preliminaries round of 16. Si Carlo Paalam against Mohamed Flissi of Algeria. At 12:39 Saturday tomorrow, Philippine time, ito po yung semi-final match ni Nesti Petesio against Irma Testa of Italy. So if we win here, we are at least guaranteed a silver. So guaranteed, matalo po siya dito, bronze medal. Pero kung manalo po siya dito, ay papasok na po siya sa finals bout. And losing that bout would mean a silver, but winning that bout would mean a gold. So go for the gold po tayo. Meanwhile, on Sunday, August 1, ito po yung laban na quarterfinals middleweight division ni Yumir Marshall against Arman Darchinyan ng Armenia. So Sunday po yan at 12:36 Tokyo time, that's 11:36 Philippine time. In the meantime, silipin po natin ang nangyayari sa golf kasi round 1 nasa top 5 si Juvic eh. But here, July 30, round 2 po ito. Nag-start po ito ng 7:30. Ongoing pa po ito. Competition interrupted, lightning risk. So tignan lang po natin kung sino pong leading. I think yung leader kahapon. Okay, Mexico's Carlos Ortiz is leading with 9 under par. So nasa hole number 7 na po siya. Then followed by Mito Pereira of Chile. Meanwhile, si Juvic Pagunsan is at within the top 15, no? At 4 under par. So not much. Ang kasunod niya or nauna sa kanya nasa top 5 po si Rory McIlroy ng Ireland. Yun po, yung mga prominent na nasa top. So nasa top 5 po si Rory McIlroy, but our pambato, si Juvic, ay nasa top 15. -4. -9 yung leader, so 5 strokes behind lang po siya in the second round na naglalaro pa at this point. So 4 rounds of golf po yan. So meron pang round 3 at round 4. Yung cumulative total will determine the winner. The lower your score, the higher the negative, meaning the better, because the fewer shots that you will have to take pagka golf ang sport natin. Okay, so let's now take a look at the news. Aboitiz Group profit more than doubles to 4.9 billion. Aboitiz Equity Ventures posted a 159 year-on-year increase in its consolidated net income for the second quarter to 4.9 billion on the back of its business segment's robust contribution. AEV said in a stock exchange disclosure on Thursday that it recognized one-time gains of 49 million during the period against 242 million a year earlier for the revaluation of dollar-denominated assets. Without these one-off gains, the company's core net income for the second quarter of 2021 was 4.9 billion, a 194% increase year-on-year, it said. Consolidated earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization, or EBITDA, rose 29% to 14.3 billion. In the first half, AEV's net income rose 243% to 13.5 billion against 3.9 billion in the same period last year. It recognized non-recurring losses of 169 million for the period, up from 20 million last year as a result of the goodwill write-off related to City Savings Bank, Inc. Okay, so that's our news for the day for our business news, and let's take a look at what happened to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, the PSEI lost 226.30 points, or 3.48% down, and if you will see, this is a huge red candlestick. 3.48% is large, no? Considering that it had a large engulfing candlestick here on May 27, which gained 5.11. Ito po, 3.48% down, which is the highest in so many weeks. So it had a low of 62.70, which is the lowest for the day. So let's look at the market summary. 159 companies declined, 47 advanced, while 42 remained unchanged. The all-share index lost 2.65%, while all the sectoral indices are down, led by properties at 4.98%. Ngayon, tingnan po natin yung most active stocks. We will be reviewing the top 10. Okay, so let's review the top 10 most active stocks. That's SMPH, Ali, BDO, ICT, ACEN, SM, AC, TEL, MONDE, JGS, and GFC. So, 10 na ba yun? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hanggang JGS po tayo. Okay, so let's start with SMPH. Okay, SMPH ended at 31.45, and it is a long red candlestick which mimics the index kasi SMPH is one of the index stocks. Bearish pa rin siya with RSI oversold at 21.10. Okay, so it opened higher but it ended lower. So na-exceed na po niya yung nearest support, ano? And the next support is medyo malayo na po. Actually, again, this is support area kasi if you look to the left, meron po ditong area na nag-bounce, ano? Pero napakalayo po ito. Yan po, no? Dito po sa area ito na October 30, 2020. At meron pong resistance dito noong October 16. Kaya po, yan po yung nearest support. And kung makikita po natin dito, noong May 12 ay nagkaroon siya ng low of 3180, which also acted as support. So after SMPH, we have Ali. Okay, si Ali naman also had a red engulfing candlestick ending at support. Bearish po siya with RSI at 38. Medyo mababa po ang presyo niya at 32.70, which is the support area. The next support level would be at 31.20 to 31.30. When I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. So then BDO. Okay, BDO again, engulfing red candlestick. So it went down to the traditional support at 101 to 102. Yan po. Yan. Okay, nasa 100 po to 102 ang support area. Again, a red engulfing candlestick, which is not a good sign, probably because kasi nag-enhanced community quarantine po tayo with heightened restrictions yung ating GCQ, and we are getting more stricter lockdown because of the spread of the Delta variant, ano? Kaya pina-price in na po ito ng ating index ng ating mga stocks. Pagkatapos po ay ICT, again another red candlestick, 155.50, losing 4 pesos and 30 centavos, and it appears to be moving sideways, bearish to sideways, dahil medyo maganda pa rin po ang stock ng ICT, holding support at EMA 50 at 154. After that, si ACEN naman ang tignan natin, ended at 8 pesos and 2 centavos, losing 15 centavos, holding support at EMA 100 at 758. And then SM, si SM naman po, again, a red engulfing candlestick. So marami po sa mga index stocks ay red engulfing, which now, that is why our index is also like that, because na-influensya po ng mga stocks na ito. So bearish po ito. Its RSI is at 33, nearing the oversold level with support at this area at 898 to 900 area. Then after SM, Ayala Corporation. Okay, Ayala Corporation po ay green candlestick, but it is a hammer. Medyo nag-hold lang po siya, pero bearish pa rin po ang sentiment as RSI is at 37.58. The closing price is below our indicators, and that's why we have a bearish sentiment. And then after that would be TEL. Naku, bumaba si TEL at 12.25. Support level na rin po ito. Bearish po ang sentiment with RSI at 32. Then we have MONDE. Mahuhusay pong stocks ito, mga subscribers natin, mga kapatid, no? So it had a red candlestick, but not much, no? Losing 48 centavos, holding support level po ito, no? 1478, and it is bearish, but RSI is medya lang at 42, no? More on the bearish to the sideways movement. Finally, we have JGS. JG Summit is also bearish. Well, in reality, it's bearish to sideways with our candlestick below our indicators. At titingnan nyo yung indicators natin, almost straight, ano po? But the closing price is below. RSI is bearish at 39. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market, July 30, 2021. Ito po si Benji Chodoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Let's support our athletes. Big day tomorrow and on Sunday. Happy weekend. God bless and bye for now.